I'm actually in Spain. My return flight got cancelled by the airline, and they offered me an alternative flight, which we refused because it was to a different airport.
Which airport?
And it was originally to Gatwick, and then they offered me to Stansted.
Okay, Queen's Park. That's not that much difference, is it?
No, but my car is parked at Gatwick.
Okay. Yep.
So I refused it. I booked with another airline.
Mm-hmm.
That airline also cancelled my return flight 1 hour before we were due to fly. So I've seen, they're both giving me refunds for the unused portions, etc. I read online that I might be able to get additional compensation, but there seem to be a lot of permutations to the rules.
Yeah,
so
you can get additional compensation from Spain. So it's under 3,000 kilometres. And I think the amount's about, I can't remember the exact amount, but it's about £300 a passenger if they cancel with less than 14 days notice, which seems to be the case. But they're only obliged to give you compensation if the cancellation is in some way their fault and it's not due to unforeseen circumstances. And the massive shortage of staff because of COVID and because of all the problems that the airports are facing at the moment is almost certain. It's too early to know for definite because the cases haven't reached court yet, but it's almost certain to be ruled as extraordinary circumstances. Yeah, it's not something that usually happens. And I think that airlines in the main are not going to be liable to pay the additional compensation over and above the cost of the return limb of the flight, which you say they've offered you. Now, I don't rule it out. I just think if you take this to court, you'll probably lose. But what I would do is put in a claim, see what happens, and you can always instruct a firm, a no-win, no-fee firm of solicitors who specialise in this, who will undoubtedly be doing group litigation over this issue, and they'll take a third of your compensation, a third of your £300. How many of you are there? 5. So it's £1,500. A third of that. If they succeed on your behalf. The best known firm who do this, they're called Bott & Co. B-O-T-T. Look at them on the internet. They're the main firm for no win, no fee flight delay claims and flight cancellation claims in the UK.